Hi everyone, so today I plan to transform this wall here. Let me put the light on because it's a bit dark and gloomy. Oops, I'm so sorry. I plan on transforming this wall, which is very bare, and also this wall over here. And we've just been to IKEA. Oh my gosh, drama. I'll tell you about it another day. But anyway, we've been to IKEA. I have bought some pegboards and some rails, and so the plan is to transform this wasted space there and also this wasted space here. So I will be back later to show you what we've done. I can turn my camera off. Don't all laugh at me. It's because I've got my finger on it. Right, everybody, I have finished my walls. Oh my gosh, I am super excited to show you. There's a couple of things that I've still got to do on there, but I have finished. So let me show you what I have done. Are you ready? Oh my gosh, I'm going to step back. This is one of my walls. Look at that. How cool is that? All that wasted space now filled up with lots of goodies. So I have some spare glues up there, lots of my washi tapes so that I can now actually use them, my pliers, so if I want to do some dangles now, more washi tape. These are empty still and those are empty. I have my scissors that I use all the time, and I have my Touch New markers so that I can start doing some colouring when I do my stamping, and have calligraphy pens and special pens like journal pens in there. So that is that wall. I mean, look at that. Doesn't that look so delicious? I can now use my washi tapes. I put a selection out so that I can start using them and maybe do some journaling now. Yes. And then I have another little rail here which is just buckets, and in here I have all my tools like my bone folders, my X-Acto knives, things like that. In here I have my brush markers, my water markers, brayers, and just bits and pieces. These are my watercolor pencils, which I haven't used in such a long time, and it's a shame because I should use them. Paintbrushes, and then this is my windowsill, which I had all glues on, which I've changed around now. So I've got now my jars with laces in. I am going to try and change all these jars for my lovely Kenko ones because I don't like the red lids on these ones, but they'll do for now. And over here is my other wall. Look, there are 4 rails there, and I have all of my fun scissors there. They're the shorter ones, and on the bottom that's another row of all the fun scissors with all the different edges, which the kids absolutely love. There's my gel pens and felt tip markers. These are not alcohol markers, they're just normal felt tip pens, coloured biros, etc. But they were all in drawers and never used. My scissors, I kept out my nice ones every now and then, and now I can actually use them, and this space is not wasted. Doesn't that look so much better? So I have finished with my walls, and I'm not buying any more IKEA things now. I am absolutely done. So this is my desk. I've still got to tidy it up a little bit. So that's my desk area now. Just loving it. I have done some more things in my drawers and other things, but I will share them with you on another video. This was just a very quick one to show you my new walls. I just absolutely love them. I've still got to put little bits in these containers here, and these here, these ones just slide off like that. They're just so super cool. These rails are amazing. I love them, love them, love them. Not sure what I'm going to put in these little containers yet, because they've got to be something quite short, so I don't know. We will figure that one out. But doesn't it look so much better? I just love it. And these rails and buckets are super, super cheap. Oh my gosh, the rails are like 150 and these tubs are Oh, how much were they? I've forgotten now. I think they were 50 pence each, the buckets. They were ridiculously cheap, honestly. And the pegboard was £8, which I have two, so it's 16. And then various different prices. I think these rails were like £2 or 1.50 or something. Then you've got hooks and other bits and pieces in there as well, but really inexpensive to do. Really, really is. And look, these things can actually now get used. So I hope this has inspired you. IKEA is definitely the place to go. I love IKEA. I could have spent a fortune in there, but oh my gosh, it was an ordeal. We went yesterday, which was Sunday, and I think everybody and their wives and their children and their relatives and their in-laws decided to go as well. So it was super, super busy, which was fine. That wasn't the problem. But when we came out of the car park, we were on the 3rd floor of the parking lot, and it took us 2 hours to get out of the parking lot. So I was not happy. Neither was Charmin. He was a little bit grumpy about it. But the car boots were rained off, so we went to IKEA, and I'm so glad we did. So these are my walls. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you for more organising very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.